Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote and Laser here. We're going to do a quick video today on whether or not simple green will eat aluminum. So I've seen a few comments over the last few months about, people talking about leaving aluminum in simple green too long. And it's always kind of confused me a little bit because we go on a pretty tight schedule for our prep and things. So, like none of our stuff really goes in the degreasing tank for more than an hour. But occasionally, you put something in there and you get busy and you don't quite get back when the timer goes off. So it goes a little longer. And we've just never had an issue with aluminum going into the simple green. So I decided I'm going to do a little experiment. Today's a Thursday. What we're going to do is we've got an anodized handguard, just a little UTG handguard that we've got laying around. I'm going to throw that in there today. It's Thursday, like pretty early in the morning, and I'm going to take it out Monday. So we're going to leave it in there pretty much 72 hours and see what the simple green does to it. I will say that we use just the plain household simple green. We don't use the HD or the aircraft or any of those kind of exotic ones. We don't use Zep. Plain old all-purpose household simple green. So we also don't dilute it. A couple things I found with diluting the simple green was that it seemed to evaporate a lot more, and we also seemed to get some surface rust if we prepped something and didn't coat it until maybe the next week or the week after that. By deleting the water from the equation, we just didn't have that issue. So we're going to run this experiment, and I got a pretty good idea what it's going to be at the end, but we'll go ahead and post some pictures for you guys and show a little video. All right, so we actually had an ice storm over the weekend, and we were closed yesterday on Monday. So today is Tuesday, January 23rd, and it is 7:39. So we're going to pull this thing out and see what it looks like. No damage at all, and that's after 4 days in simple green. So I'll rinse this off. We'll throw it in the oven, get it dry, and then we'll take some still pictures to put at the end of the video. Not saying that other people haven't had different experiences. I'm just saying this is what we've experienced in our shop. And then this is just kind of a quick little 4-day visual. The way we do it doesn't eat, aluminum like other people have claimed. So we'll throw some stills on there and let you see it, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Check us out at BransonCerakote.com for your laser, stencil, and Cerakote needs. Have a great day.